Do you suffer from bloating, diarrhea, constipation, gas, abdominal pain, or other digestive disorders? Have you been diagnosed with IBS or SIBO? I'm Dr. Narala Jacoby, and for over 2 decades, I've helped people just like you overcome their gut problems. I've taught my successful method to thousands of practitioners to help them help their patients get better. Over the years, I've received hundreds of emails from people around the world desperate for help. My passion is educating practitioners, but there's simply too many people suffering needlessly from this condition. That's why I've created the SIBO Success Plan with people just like you in mind. The SIBO Success Plan is a step-by-step plan to first fully understand SIBO and then take action on how to beat it and, most importantly, prevent it from coming back. This is the course I would have wanted all of my patients to do before they ever came to see me. In this course, you'll learn all about SIBO and its underlying causes, which SIBO diet is most appropriate for you. There are quite a few out there. You'll also learn how to identify possible food intolerances, such as salicylates and histamines that are caused by the damaging effects of SIBO, as well as how to heal leaky gut and inflammation. You'll learn how the nervous system is connected to the gut and why this is important for your healing. Also, which specific antimicrobials and probiotics I recommend for my patients and have done so for years. How to get relief from bloating, constipation, reflux, and nausea. And finally, how to prevent relapse by treating the underlying cause so you can finally be free of it for good. If you've been newly diagnosed with SIBO or have been working at this for some time, there's something for everyone in this course. You may finally find the missing piece of the puzzle as to why you're on an endless merry-go-round of taking expensive supplements and are not getting any better. Even if you're already working with a practitioner to help you eradicate SIBO, this course will help you streamline your treatment so that you feel better sooner. So sign up now, and I'll see you on the inside.